Hi, welcome to my channel. Do you like to crochet this pineapple? This is puff pineapple and very beautiful. This is puff pineapple keychain. So let's go to see how to crochet this. But for this tutorial, we need this kind of yarn and the keychain and the hook. And the size of the hook is 3 mm. So let's go to see. First round, I'm going to make magic ring. So I put the yarn between my finger like this, and then put the hook under this part and above this part, and then yarn over and make one chain with this yarn. Now in this ring we have the magic ring. You can change the size of this ring like this. Then I'm going to make puff stitch, so I do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then yarn over in all of this loop and make one chain. Now I have the first puff stitch. So the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and finish, and then yarn over and make one chain. So this is the second puff stitch. Again 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then yarn over and make one chain. So as you can see, we have 3 puff stitch into this ring stitch, into this magic ring, and we need 10 of this popcorn stitch. So you must make 10 puff stitch into this magic ring. Now I have 10 puff stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then I put the hook in above of this first puff stitch exactly here and make one slip stitch. Now I have this shape for this part. Okay. Then I'm going to make one chain and put the hook between these 2 puff stitch exactly here and make another puff stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then yarn over and make one chain. Okay, then go to the next skip exactly here between these 2 puff stitch and make another puff stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and make one chain. Again between these 2 puff stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and make one chain. So keep continuous this puff stitch between this skip, between this puff stitch for the before round, and complete this round. Okay, now I have 10 puff stitch here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 between this popcorn stitch. Okay, and then I put the hook in above of this popcorn stitch exactly here and make one slip stitch. like this. Again, make one chain and go to this escape between these two puff stitch and make another puff stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and one chain, and then continue as this. So as you can see, I have continuous this round, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 round with 10 puff stitch. Okay, they are 10. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So you must continue as this 10 puff stitch in each round, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 round with 10 puff stitch. So complete this with this shape. So then I come back. Okay, now I have 6 of this puff stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then I want to decrease, so I make one chain and then put the hook here in the first stitch and yarn over, and again put the hook in the next stitch and yarn over, and again put the hook in the next stitch and yarn over. Then I have 4 loops on this loop, on this hook, and then yarn over all of them like this. Then again put the hook in the next stitch, yarn over, again repeat, and again here repeat. Again I have 4 loops, and now I decrease this stitch together. Continue as this until I arrive here. Okay, now I complete this round, and then I want to put something like this into this pineapple. So I put it here until it's full of this something stuff. Okay, now I have this. Then again I want to decrease this round, so I make one chain, and again put the hook here and here and again here, and make decrease. Again put the hook here, then here and here, and again decrease. Then make just one slip stitch in the next stitch like this, make one chain and cut the yarn. Okay, so I want to hide the extra yarn here, and cut this, so I have this shape. Now I use the green color for the leaves of this pineapple. I want to crochet these leaves in this round exactly in above of this pineapple. So I put the hook between these two puff stitch exactly here, and then yarn over and make one chain, then make one puff stitch here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, then make one puff stitch, and then now I want to make another puff stitch in above of this puff stitch. So this is one exactly here, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then yarn over and make 1 chain, and then another chain. We have 3 chains here. Then make a slip stitch in this part. Here, make a slip stitch, and again 3 chains, and then make a slip stitch here in this hole. Again 3 chains, and make a slip stitch here in this part. Okay, now I have this shape. Then like this. Okay, then I put a hook between these 2 puff stitch, exactly here, and make 1 single crochet. Then go to the next puff stitch, exactly here, and make a slip stitch like this, and then make 1 puff stitch here like before. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and make 1 chain, and above of this puff stitch make another puff stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then make 3 chains, and make a slip stitch here. Again 3 chains, and make a slip stitch here, and again 3 chains, and make a slip stitch here, exactly near this puff stitch. Okay, now I have another leaves here. Then go to the next space, exactly here, and make 1 single crochet. Then like before, make another leaves here until you complete these rounds, and then for the end you have 6 of these leaves and above of this pineapple. So complete this. Okay, now I have 6 of these leaves and above of this pineapple. Then I put the hook into the center of this pineapple and make 1 slip stitch, and again go to this part and make another popcorn stitch, slip stitch. Then make 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 chains, and then use the keychain and put it here. Put the hook here in the last chains and yarn over, and again make 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 chains, and then when it's fixed here, put the hook again in the center of this pineapple and make 1 single crochet, and again put the hook here and make 1 slip stitch and 1 chain. Then cut the yarn and use a needle to hide the extra yarn. So now it is complete. I fix the chains here so you can make it and sell it to earn the money. This is so easy and very cute. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you.